Welcome to Mixture of Knowledge. This is part 2 of the Britax Grow With You user guide. Check out my part 1 video where I covered installing the child seat. In this part 2 video, I will be covering securing your child, harness mode and booster mode, child seat functions, all of that in yellow, and vehicle compatibility. So strap yourself in and let's get started. Page 17 is securing your child in harness mode. First, the warning. Never route the vehicle belt over the child when using this child seat in harness mode. Adjust the belts provided with this child seat so they fit snugly around your child. A snug strap should not allow any slack. It lies in a relatively straight line without sagging. It does not press on the child's flesh or push the child's body into an unnatural position. Verify that the child seat is secure and the harness is properly adjusted around the child each time the child seat is used. Before you begin, always check the seat area for debris and remove it to prevent interference with the harness adjuster mechanism. Securing your child in harness mode. Step 1. Loosen the harness if necessary. Press release lever. Pull both harness straps forward. Step 2. Open the chest clip. Press tabs. Pull apart. 3. Release the buckle and place the harness straps around the armrests. 4. Place the child in the restraint with child's back flat against the seat. And it continues on page 18. 5. Position the harness straps around the child. See page 21. Note: adjust the harness to fit the clothes the child is wearing. Remove bulky coats, jackets, and/or bulky sports equipment before putting the child in the child seat. 6. Fasten the harness buckle. Proper connection is confirmed with a click after inserting each buckle tongue. 7. Pull the harness adjuster strap to tighten the harness. Note: the harness should have a snug fit around the child. A snug strap should not allow any slack. It lies in a relatively straight line without sagging. It does not press on the child's flesh or push the child's body into an unnatural position. You should not be able to pinch excess. Pull the harness adjuster away from the child seat parallel to the ground to tighten. Do not pull sideways. And finally, fasten the chest clip and place at armpit level. Page 19 in booster mode, which is still seating your child section, and the warning box. Only use a lap shoulder belt to secure the child in booster mode. Use the shoulder belt guides on the child's seat to ensure proper fit. Ensure the lap part of the vehicle belt sits low across the child's upper thighs and that the shoulder part does not contact the child's neck. Before you begin, if your vehicle seat back is adjustable, ensure it is in the upright position before placing the child seat on the vehicle seat. Adjust the child seat to the upright position and place forward facing on the vehicle seat if not already installed. See page 9. Step 1. Adjust the head restraint to the highest position. 2. Place the child in the restraint with the child's back flat against the seat. 3. Route the shoulder part of the vehicle belt through the red shoulder belt guide and fasten the vehicle belt across the child. 4. Adjust the head restraint so that the vehicle shoulder belt lays straight across the center of the child's chest, above the child's shoulder, and does not contact the child's neck. Part A. The lap part of the vehicle belt should be worn under the armrests and rest low on the child's upper thighs. Part B. Note: ensure the head restraint has locked into position. Page 20, also booster mode. Note: ensure that the belt passes under armrest along belt guide on buckle side. And finally 5. Remove slack from the vehicle belt. Checklist. Before traveling, verify that the child restraint is in a vehicle seat that has a lap shoulder belt. Vehicle belt is not twisted. Buckle does not rest on red belt guide. Shoulder part of vehicle belt is routed through the shoulder belt guide above the child's shoulder, lies across the center of the child's chest, and does not contact the child's neck. Lap part of the vehicle belt should be worn under the armrest and rest low on the child's upper thighs. Page 21, child seat functions. Adjusting harness and head restraint height. Important: make all adjustments for the fit of your child before using the child seat. Place the child seat on the floor and have your child sit in the seat. Follow the instructions on the following pages to make the proper adjustments to the harness, buckle, and head restraint. 1. Loosen the harness if necessary. A. Press release lever. B. Pull both harness straps forward. 2. Lift and slide the harness height adjuster into the desired position. Note: ensure the head restraint has locked into position. Important: in harness mode, the harness height adjuster also adjusts the height for the head restraint. Always adjust the harness straps to the closest position at or above your child's shoulders. The harness should be above shoulder level and not below shoulder level. Important, in booster mode, adjust the head restraint so that the vehicle shoulder belt lays straight across the center of the child's chest and above the child's shoulder. The vehicle shoulder belt should be routed through the red shoulder belt guide without contacting the child's neck. Page 22, warning. In some cases, the vehicle head restraint can prevent the child's seat head restraint from being raised high enough to properly adjust the harness for the fit of your child. Do not force the child's seat head restraint past the vehicle head restraint. Doing so could cause the child's seat not to perform as intended. If the location of the vehicle head restraint interferes with the child's seat head restraint, raise or remove the vehicle head restraint. If the vehicle head restraint cannot be removed, move the child's seat to the upright position or try a different seating location. Seat overhang in harness mode. It is important that the base of the child's seat rests completely flat on the vehicle seat with no side overhang. It is permissible to allow up to 3 inches of the base to hang over the front edge of the vehicle seat. If the vehicle seat does not allow enough of the child's seat base to make contact, adjust the recline angle to a more upright position. Not doing so could cause the child's seat to not perform as intended. In booster mode, overhang is not allowed in booster mode. In booster mode, the base of the child's seat must fit completely on the vehicle seat. Adjusting buckle position. Removing the buckle. 1. Unbuckle the harness by pressing the release button and pulling the tongues. On to page 23. 2. Pull the seat cover forward. 3. Unhook the elastic bands at the back of the seat cover. Pull the seat cover forward and over the belly pad. 4. Turn and pull the buckle retainer through the slot in the child's seat shell. Unhook the retaining clips at the back of the seat cover. Pull the seat cover forward and over the belly pad. Positioning the buckle. Important. Choose the slot closest to but not under the child. 1. Turn and push the buckle retainer through the slot in the child's seat shell. 2. Pull the belly pad through the corresponding slot in the seat cover. Place the seat cover back in its original position and attach the retaining clips. Page 24. Using the harness buckle. To fasten, insert one tongue at a time into the buckle. Note, proper connection is confirmed with an audible click after inserting each buckle tongue. To release, press the release button and pull the tongues from the buckle. Note, periodically clean the buckle to ensure proper operation. See page 42. Using the chest clip. 1. Open the chest clip. A. Press tabs. B. Pull apart. 2. Push together to fasten. Note, always position the chest clip at armpit level. Using the recline. Important, this child seat must be used in upright position in booster mode. This seat may be used in either the upright or recline position in harness mode. 1. Pull the recline adjustment handle and adjust the seat to the desired position. See page 8. A. Ensure that the seat is locked into the desired position before installing in the vehicle. B. Ensure the top of the child's seat does not rest against the top of the vehicle seat back while reclining. C. Pay attention while adjusting the recline to keep hands clear of any pinch points. Page 25. Using lower anchors and tethers for children. LATCH. This diagram shows latch system anchor locations. You have lower anchors in the back of the seats, and you have tether anchors up above behind the seats. The lower anchors and tethers for children, or latch, is a system available on this child's seat that offers an alternative to vehicle seatbelt installation methods. The figure above shows typical locations for lower anchors and tether anchors in a vehicle. See pages 2 to 3 for latch components on this child's seat. Check your vehicle owner's manual to learn if it is equipped with latch, the maximum weight rating for the lower anchors, tether anchor capabilities, and information on the lower anchor locations and designated seating positions available for use with this child seat. Using the lower connectors. The lower connectors are located under the seat cover in the lower connector storage area. Store the lower connectors when not in use. To attach the lower connector to the storage slot or lower anchor, 1. Firmly push the lower connector into the slot or lower anchor until a click is heard. Note, fold the lower connector strap and adjuster so that they lie flat within the lower connector storage area. Attach the lower connectors to the anchors located at the front of the storage area. Page 26. To remove the lower connector from the storage slot or lower anchor. 1. Press and hold the red release button. 2. Pull the lower connector from the storage slot or lower anchor using the impact absorbing tether. Warning: attach the tether only to tether anchors identified by your vehicle manufacturer as tether anchorage points. If your vehicle does not currently have a tether anchor attachment, refer to your vehicle owner's manual or contact your vehicle manufacturer for assistance. Do not modify your vehicle without advice from your vehicle manufacturer. Harness mode. Britax recommends that the top tether be used at all times when installing the child seat. Using the top tether will improve the stability of your child's seat and reduce the risk of injury. Booster mode. Do not use the top tether without securing lower connectors. Tether anchor locations vary from vehicle to vehicle. Check your vehicle's owner's manual and look for the tether anchor symbol shown in the diagram to help identify where the top tether anchor point is located in your vehicle. To attach the tether to a tether anchor, 1. Remove the webbing from the elastic strap and loosen the tether. Page 27. 2. Firmly press the hook over the tether anchor point. Important: use the elastic strap to contain extra webbing. Always ensure any excess webbing is contained within your vehicle. The tether as a crash indicator. The tether can indicate when the child's seat has been in a moderate or severe crash and replacement of the child's seat is necessary. Important: discontinue use of child's seat if it has been involved in a moderate or severe crash, regardless of whether the loops have pulled through the back side of the shell and the colored stitching has been ripped. Figure 1 shows an example of a tether acceptable for continued use, provided the child's seat has not been involved in a crash. The colored stitching will not be visible and will be intact. Figure 2 shows an example of when the child's seat is unacceptable for continued use. If one or both of the loops have pulled through the back side of the shell and/or any of the colored stitching is visible and has ripped, the child's seat is no longer acceptable for use. Page 28. Switching between modes. Important: it is not necessary to remove the harness to use this seat in booster mode. To store the harness, follow the instructions below. If you wish to remove, follow the instructions on page 31 and 32. Harness to booster mode. Storing the harness and buckle. 1. Loosen the harness completely. A. Press release lever. B. Pull both harness straps forward. 2. Open the chest clip. A. Press tabs. B. Pull apart. 3. Release the harness buckle and place the harness straps around the armrests. 4. Pull seat cover forward. 5. Unhook the elastic bands at the back of the seat cover. Pull the seat cover and foam insert forward and slide over the belly pad. Page 29. 6. Lay the belly pad forward and position on top of the harness adjuster release lever. 7. Place the seat cover and foam back in their original position and attach the elastic bands. 8. Raise the head restraint to the highest position. 9. Tuck each harness strap under the side wing covers. A. Fold the harness straps to remove any additional slack before tucking underneath the bib. B. Slide the comfort pads, chest clip, and buckle tongues to the top of the harness strap before folding. 10. Tuck the harness straps behind the head restraint bib. Page 30. Booster to harness mode, restoring the harness and buckle. 1. Pull seat cover forward. 2. Unhook the elastic bands at the back of the seat cover. Pull the seat cover and foam insert forward. 3. Pull the belly pad through the slot in the seat cover. Note: choose the slot that is closest to, but not under your child. 4. Place the seat cover and foam insert back to their original position and attach the elastic bands. 5. Remove the harness straps from behind the side wing covers. 6. Fasten the chest clip. Note: push together until a click is heard. Page 31. 7. Fasten the harness buckle. 8. Pull the adjuster strap to tighten the harness. Note: pull the harness adjuster away from the child's seat parallel to the ground to tighten. Harness to booster mode, removing the harness and buckle. 1. Loosen the harness completely. A. Press release lever. B. Pull both harness straps forward. 2. Unhook the harness straps from the yoke. Note: store the yoke in a secure place in the base. 3. Pull the harness straps out of the slots. Page 32. 4. Pull seat cover forward. 5. Unhook the harness straps from the hip anchors. 6. Unhook the elastic bands at the back of the seat cover. Pull the seat cover forward and over the belly pad. 7. Turn and pull the buckle retainer through the slot in the child seat shell. Booster to harness mode, replacing the harness and buckle. 1. Pull seat cover forward. 2. Unhook the elastic bands at the back of the seat cover. Pull the seat cover forward and over the belly pad. Page 33. 3. Turn and push the buckle retainer through the slot in the child seat shell. Note: Choose the slot closest to but not under the child. 4. Pull the belly pad through the corresponding slot in the seat cover. Place the seat cover back in its original position and attach the retaining clips. 5. Hook the harness straps to the hip anchors. Note: ensure that the harness is attached to the top of the hip anchor. 6. Insert the harness straps through the slots in the cover and shell and over the harness adjuster plate to the back of the child's seat. 7. Nest the harness straps by inserting the right strap loop into the left strap loop. 8. Remove the harness yoke from the storage underneath the seat shell and slide the nested harness straps completely onto the harness yoke. Page 34. 9. Buckle the harness and pull the adjuster strap to tighten the harness. Note: pull the harness adjuster away from the child's seat, parallel to the ground, to tighten. Important: check all attachments before using the child seat. On the front, check that harness straps are not twisted. Check that the chest clip faces outward. Check that the adjuster strap is not twisted. On the back, check that the harness yoke hangs as shown and that the harness straps are nested securely on the yoke. And that's it for this video. I was not able to cover the vehicle compatibility section like I mentioned earlier, so please read through that section on your own. Also read the maintenance section. Also make sure and check out on the manual child seat features starting page 2 and safety information starting page 4. Please hit like and subscribe, that helps a lot, and thank you for watching.